This is Anil, that's Libby and Alex. So they are buying this house in the backside. So Alex and Libby, they're very humble, very nice. Kerala state, right? So Alex, how was your experience of buying this property?
So this is the thing, like we meet a good realtor.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
Anilji, thank you so much, Anilji.
Welcome.
And before we met him, right? So we see like almost 60 house.
60?
Yeah.
Wow.
So 60 house with the other agent, and we put like almost like 10-15 offers too, but no one accept. I don't know what's the point. Like, but when I met him and he explained everything, that's the first house see with him. The
And
first
the
house,
we got.
that's we got it. All right, thank you so much.
Welcome.
So if anyone looking for a house to buy in a New Jersey or in this area, I'm like 100% confident, and I just saying like go with him. I know,
Thank
you
you.
know, you will get a dream house. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The main thing is the trust. They trusted me. I gave that trust to the sellers. When you have a trust, the focus goes to the making people happy. You have four wheels of a car. Imagine if one wheel is like wobbly, how the car gonna drive? It cannot go smooth. So all the four wheels, all the four pillars has to be like smooth. They all to be trust. That's what the trust we had, right?
And the same thing, like I have know the banker things too, and he helped me find the banker too.
Yeah.
So you know, like the 0 to everything. So he has everything. You know, like you can go, like everything is in one umbrella, so you can go there. You know,
But
there you go.
we do fight also, just so you know.
Sometimes, you know.
Sometimes, yeah, we all three were committed. They were committed, and the commitment brought a happy ending. You know, happy sale. I'm happy. They are happy. They're getting a lot more than they anticipated. Sellers are happy because they got a smooth deal. They were not worried about from the day one. You know, the deal gonna happen no matter what may come. Correct? Thank you.
Yes.
You want to
Okay,
say something?
Yes,
You just say something in Hindi. No?